How to install a Chroma for 20 bucks. This is a 20 euros Chroma. This is my first try. I never tried before. I don't know how it works. I just know that there is an effect on Final Cut or all the editors or software to edit video that you can make disappear all the green things. I don't know exactly how it works, if it looks good or not. I will try it right now with you. I just want to know first, but you can make it like disappear. Hello. I don't know if it's working or not. This is just, you only can see the result after you only can see the result on the computer. You cannot see whatever it is happening here. I'm just going to figure out how to put this somewhere. I need this. It is a small nail that will help me. Oh, I think it is. It is the chroma I was looking for. So happy. It's actually really big. It's almost my digging room. Hello! Now we have all the chroma, all my hands open, and this is the set. I love it. Now there is not a lot of shadows. It's almost perfect. Everything is in grain now. Oh my god! This is. I've been a lot of time trying to have a chroma here, just to make effects or something cool. Where if you want to stay someplace or another place making this video, or making a video just talking or whatever. I think it's funny, I think it's cool to have a chroma at home. You can make any photo and stay wherever you want. I have no idea how it looks. You're watching this before than me, just because I can only see a green screen in the camera, and yeah, after put it in the Final Cut I will see the difference, but right now I have no idea how it looks. I have to put something behind the line, you know, when you are editing you just put any photo or any video under the main line, and then you put the effect on the line, and you will only see what's under the video except you, if you're not in green. My question is, if I put a green t-shirt, it's going to be disappear also, but if I can take a line, I can disappear also, like, I don't know, this is, but now I have a hole there, whatever. Okay. I was trying to find something green at home, and I just found this is yellow, this is a little bit green, and my Rubik cube, you can see, I think this is going to be disappear, just one face. What if I make a mix with green and blue? Now you only can see the blue part. Here we have a yellow t-shirt. Let's see if it disappears. Or if it not. Yeah, I don't have more green things to... Oh yeah, like my Hoover here. My Hoover is a kind of blue and green, you know. But this was a video. I just wanted to show you the process to make a chroma at home. If it helps, if you can use it You're welcome. This is just fun for me. I think it's more funny learn together. See you. Bye.